While I believe actual physical time travel will never be a reality, I do believe it may be possible through the internet. Digitally. Imagine receiving an email from your older self. It'll probably end up in the spam folder, but I honestly think it may be possible. Now, I don't know the science. However, I've listened to Stephen Hawking and Neil deGrasse Tyson enough to understand time travel involves space. Without calculating space, you cannot get time travel. You'd just teleport to the spot where the planet once resided and freeze to death. At least that is how I took it. To space-time travel, you'd need the precise space calculations, like where the sun was in relation to a stationary object in our galaxy, which nothing is stationary in our galaxy. Okay, then, you'd need to know where we were in relation to a stationary object in the universe, which I don't even think is possible. Then we are going to need know where was the Earth in relation to the sun and said stationary object. Then what was the Earth's axis at the time? Then do the math and whatever that would entail. All of this would need to be perfect. No mistakes. Best scenario is you are teleported into the stratosphere over the ocean. However, I don't think the internet quite has that problem. My theory is all you need is for an older server to have never been replaced. That's our target and stationary item. The connection would be there. That's our space calculation. Then we'd need to find a communication venue. Something simple and unchanging, like a simple text file, or rather something that hasn't evolved with encryption technologies. However, how to subvert time? I have no idea. It shouldn't be as complicated as physically time traveling though. My understanding is the web builds upon itself. All we need is to find a way down that web. No, I haven't been smoking weed. Just a fleeting thought I had.